this crazy Florida weather. I don't think there's a cloud in the sky. It's just raining hard. Ow!
Sorry.
You ain't going out to play in the rain.
We're not.
No, we're not. We're not playing in the rain right now.
The perfect day for us to the rain.
No, we're not playing in the rain right now. We're just amazed at what happened. I'm glad I got the plugs in this morning for the solar. So that part is done. But it wasn't supposed to rain. It was supposed to be like hellish hot here. And voila, it's already cooling down like 10 degrees. Yay! Well, this is a little different setup. Here I am with my sewing stuff. We're fixing the kids' curtains. Emma's is a bit long. We got these flower ones because she loves flowers. So I'm cutting just the bottom out. And I'm thinking I'm going to save this piece so that when I get back to my sewing machine, I can sew it at the very top and it'll look like a little valance. So yeah, so we're doing that. But I've never shown you guys my sewing kit. Klein tools. You think that makes it look more butch? So just the bare necessities, really. Needle, thread, scissors. Really nice scissors. Yeah, we're gonna be cutting Emma's curtains, and then I have to measure out the big privacy curtains that they have. So we get the big, you know, 86-inch curtains, the ones that have these big metal grommets on top. And then yeah, we just get these shower curtains, I mean shower rods, and put them across their bunks. And it makes it real easy for them to slide it themselves back and forth. And I already measured it over here and I put safety pins. So again, when I get back to my sewing machine, we're gonna go ahead and hem it all the way down. But we got the right length for their little bunks. Yeah, very similar to the setups they've had before. They're already happy about it. They want to know when they're getting their curtains. They kind of saw them up, you know, while we were doing all our measurements. So they're pretty excited. Yeah, here goes. It's curtain time. Emma's the only one that has a window in her bunk. Axel doesn't. We're thinking about getting him one. We'll talk about that later.
Whoever drives behind us gets to see this.
Yeah, whoever gets behind them gets to see flowers. Well, here we go. I already started cutting, and then I'm like, let's show people that we're a little homemakey as well. You guys can put your movie back on.
Thank you, Papa. And can I tell him I like freestyle? Can I tell him I like freestyle?
Can she tell our audience that she likes freestyle? Sure, baby. How do you want to say? There you go. What is it that you want to say?
I want to say that I like freestyle.
What's freestyle?
Freestyle dancing?
Dancing. You're talking about dancing.
Yeah.
I didn't know. I thought you were talking about pie eating.
I can do spins and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to do it barefoot. I don't want to do it
Barefoot.
Freestyle is fun. I know lots of freestyles. Next time you can record me, Papa. Do freestyle.
You want to get recorded dancing?
Yeah.
It's a date.
I love you, Papa.
I love you too, sweetie.
We're a happy family. And look at my new dog. I got this dog a long time ago. He's cute. 14, then the 15, then the 16, then the 17. This is my window curtain.
And they are done. We can. That was really hard. And then what I'm gonna do over here is.
So can make a little valance.
You heard that, did you?
Yeah, I heard it.
See, that'll look cute, don't you think? Yeah.
Papa,
What?
can you get your sewing kit and show them how you sew?
I think they know how to sew.
Good night.
Okay. We just got the tank today, and we're trying to fit it into the nose. It almost fits. There's a little plate over here that the old propane tank used to be attached to, and we think it's pushing out the tank just enough.
Just, you know, yeah, like a half inch. This door is not fitting yet. So this is the big tank. We have a small tank we bought as well. So we're hoping the big tank fits. If that, you know, if not, then we have the small tank.
But this one holds like, this one is 18 gallons, and the little one is 12 gallons. So it's 6 gallons more,
So it's a third
which
more,
is which is like 30 pounds of propane. So we're hoping that it fits because that could be useful, especially in winter. Yeah, time to wish us luck.
Which those are already loose. That was a lot of room though, really.
I was wondering why it wasn't hitting the back. We need for every millimeter we can get. Come on, baby. Out of there.
Oh, my wrist.
All right, let's give this a shot.
Let's straighten that out again. Make sure it's wobbly right now.
Let's try it.
Okay.
You ready, big man?
Yeah. Wow, it just barely misses.
I know.
Mine's flush.
Mine's flush now.
Hold it and let me see. Yeah, go ahead and pop it.
Okay. Can you let it go?
Yeah.
All right. It only moved forward about an inch.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
I think it fits. How do you do this?
That's it. It's hitting.
Oh, it's hitting?
Yeah.
Oh.
So let me see if it can go up a little bit.
Oh yeah, you can hear it.
Yeah, so this little gap right here, so that's about 1/4 of an inch. That's how much it's missing. It's missing by.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We got about 1.5 inches up to go. Since this is kind of like a bull nose, we're thinking that if we raise the tank a little bit more, it'll clear. So let's cross our fingers. Careful. All right, there you go.
Oh, that's perfect. But we'll never be able to bolt it to the back.
We'll worry about that later. Yeah, you gotta do it in the middle though, or else my side's gonna kick out. All right, let's try it.
You do the honors.
You do the honors. I think the natives are getting restless.
Oh, it's gonna work.
Not a bit.
Oh, it's even more of a gap.
Yeah, that's weird.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So you...
Wait. Oh!
It closes.
Yeah!
It closes. It does work.
You can't see my face, but that's my happy dance.
Wow, that's great. That's nice.
We'll worry about how to bolt this in. Now comes that challenge. But it closes. Look, and room to spare.
Wow.
Wow, indeed.
Look at that.
Now we're talking. So it's midweek and a lot of things are coming together. I'm sharing with you the mayhem a little bit because this kind of mayhem doesn't really happen twice. It happens probably strictly this week, maybe a little bit of next week. Yeah, this place looks like somebody's tool bag threw up all over the RV. So we're getting everything done from the curtains, you know, the kid curtains, they're all up. One of 1,000 little things, right? It's funny. We follow a lot of RVers and why they do certain things and why they shift into certain modes of transportation and different types of RVs and so forth. Our kids are at an age where they're not teenagers, so their privacy is not as critical as it would be. You know, when they're 5 and 6. So when they're 5 and 6, there's a lot less of that issue going around. So we have the luxury of being in a really extra small space like this one, and that's a huge plus, you know. And they're not babies. When they're babies, it's kind of like the opposite. You need a lot of space because babies take up a lot of space. Crazy to think that, but you change them here, you change them there, then diapers, then oh, it's crazy. So we're in a really nice sweet spot right now where we can tow this little trailer that's extremely self-sustainable, and because of their age, I think it makes it a lot more convenient to travel this way. The propane was such good news. We couldn't help but just really be happy about that and be able to carry that much more propane than the little tank we would have had to install in the front. That installation is coming up. We'll be doing it tomorrow. Today I'm taking a couple hours to catch you guys up on the mayhem that's going on around here. Yeah, this is becoming interesting, and hearts are beating.
It's time to get wet.
Yeah.
I'm watering the tree.